You're watching market headlines. At the Jakarta Composite Index Internal Movement, earlier today, JCI was open at the level of 6,974.36, and then approaching the closing time of the first session, the index was on the level of 6,970.8, and then the index was showing strengthening trend by the second session closing time. Index was closed at the level of 6,968.78, and in short, Jakarta's composite index went up 0.25%. And from the sectoral movement, transportation and logistics went up 1.69%, basic sector went up 1.13%, health sector went down 1.32%, and cyclic sector went down 0.73%. And moving on to top gainers, Bank Central Asia went up 2.04%, Antam went up 6.91%, Adaro Energy Indonesia went up 3.38%, and Bumi went up 1.77% to 115 rupiah per share. Meantime, the top losers for today's trading, Bank Rakyat Indonesia went down 0.23%, BMTR went down 2.46%, Adaro Minerals went down 3.79% to 1,775 rupiah, and Goto went down 3.38% to 286 rupiah per share. And let's see the intraday movement of rupiah towards US dollar. Open at the level of 14,587 rupiah, showing weakening trend towards US dollar, and it was closed at the level of 14,851. And in summary, rupiah went down 0.39%. Gudang Garam's net profit fell 59.37% in the first half of this year to only 956.14 billion rupiah. The decrease in net profit was caused by an increase in expenses. One of the highest came from cigarette excise tax and VAT. Cigarette producer Gudang Garam recorded a declining financial performance in the first half of 2022. Citing Gudang Garam's financial report as of June 30, 2022, the company recorded a net profit that fell 59.37% in the first half of this year, which was 956.14 billion rupiah from 2.35 trillion rupiah in the first half of 2021. The net profit is inversely proportional to revenue, which rose 1.82% on an annual basis to 61.67 trillion rupiah. Gudang Garam's revenue from domestic cigarette sales accounts for the largest portion. Gudang Garam's cigarette sales in the domestic market rose 2% on an annual basis to reach 60.8 trillion rupiah. Meanwhile, Gudang Garam cigarette exports recorded a decline from 861.27 billion rupiah in the first half of 2021 to 787.4 billion rupiah in the first half of this year. The decrease in net profit was caused by an increase in expenses, where the highest selling expenses came from an increase in excise tax, VAT and cigarette taxes, which increased by 10.68% to reach 50.7 trillion rupiah, compared to the first semester of 2021, which was 45.81 trillion rupiah. IDX Channel reports. And the news closes our market headlines today. Please enjoy our next program on IDX Channel, your trustworthy economic, business and capital market channel. I'm Fajar Wayong. Have a nice evening. Thanks for watching.